Hey y'all, today I want to show you how to make these adorable little Easter candy holders. I think they're perfect for this time of year because they're easy to make a lot of them, which is great for classrooms and things like that. If you want to fit more of them on one sheet of paper, just stagger them like this and attach. So you can see the difference. I didn't attach the pink ones and they don't fit as many on a piece of paper, so just keep that in mind. So I attached everything in Design Space, loaded up my piece of paper, added my pen, and we're ready to go. This is great because now the Cricut does all the work. It's going to color in the design and then cut everything out. Also, I just have to say I really love Cricut Access. Not sponsored, but I do really love it. It's so helpful. I had kind of a hard time picking which design to make because there was just so many really cute little candy holders for Easter, so highly recommend looking around and checking out what they got. I think this design is perfect for classrooms or if you're throwing little parties, things like that, because you can make a lot of them very quickly, which is definitely nice. Now I'm going to repeat with the next color and then I'll be ready to assemble. One of the reasons I picked this project specifically is because how easy it is to assemble. You just want to do any type of little glue. I decided to use these double-sided little glue dots, but you can really use any glue that you have on hand. Once the glue is there in the center, then just add in that little candy right there on top. And then I'm going to be folding over the arm and then adding in one more glue dot right there on the arm. Lastly, I'm just going to fold that arm over and that's it. I'm done. They're really that easy to make and I think it turned out adorable. What do you guys think?